So we are discussing the Vidhatri Pratyas now with Bhu Dhatu, the declensions. So yeah, Tuyastatang Ashishi Va Sarvatra. In every instance, Tup and He, Tup is 1 of Vidhata and He is 2 1 of Vidhata, Parapada. They can optionally be replaced by Tatang. This is a pratyaya which can replace Tup or He, Tup and He optionally, provided Ashish is understood. Ashish means blessing, a wish. So, Bhu Yukta Tup. So optionally, by this sutra, we replace Tup and bring Tatang, in which Ang is indicatory. So Bhu, then we insert Shab, the same process, Shab Krishna Dhatu ke, Dhaturanta se Govinda Pratyay, O Av, and we get Bhavatat. So two forms, Bhavatu and Bhavatat. Then Tuptam, then Bhavatam, Bhuyukta Antu, Shav Krishna Dhatu ke, Dhaturanta se Govinda Pratyay, O Av, and then Aram Hara E Ayora Vishnu Padante, so we apply Bhavantu. Bhavantu. So like that, Bhavatu, Bhavatam, Bhavantu. Then 2.1 is also, there's some rule. Tuptamantu He, the pratyaya is He. So the next sutra says Ato Her Haraha. After A, He is deleted. He is deleted. So Bhu Yukta Hi, Shab Krishna Dhatu ke Dhaturanta se Govindaha Pratyay, O Av. And now we have Arama here, right? So after Arama, He is deleted. So we get Bhava. Bhava. Like Bhava Madhbhakta, Krishna says. So this is the usage, Bhava. You become my devotee. Bhava is second person. You become my devotee. Bhava. And also optionally, by the previous sutra, He will be replaced by Tatam. So Bhavatat. Two options, two forms, Bhava and Bhavatat. And then Bhavatam, Bhavata, Anip, Bhuyukta, Anip, Shab Krishna Dhatu ke Dhatu se Govindaha Pratyay, O Av, and the Shavatare Katmakam Nitvatra Vikramaha, Bhavani, Bhavava, Bhavama. So like this, Parapada forms. Okay. Then Atmapada. Okay, now this is interesting. Pradaya Upendra Sangya Dhatu Yogi Techa Prak. When an avyaya such as pra is combined with a dhatu, it is called an upendra and is applied before the dhatu. Now we know what is suffix. Suffixes are the pratyayas which are applied after dhatu or a shabda, a noun. Like su, aujas, tipta, santi here. They are all called suffixes, pratyayas. But there is also one thing which is called prefix in English. Prefix means something which is applied before the prakriti. So prefixes, in general, they are known as upasargas, but in Harinamamrita Vyakaranam, they are known as upendras. So they are applied before a dhatu. Before a dhatu. We'll discuss some examples. So these are the upendras. So praparap samanvava nirdurabhi. You can also sing this like it. So vyadhi sugatini pratiparyapayah up ang iti vimshati esha sakhe upasarga vidhi kathitah kabina. So earlier grammarians called them upasargas. Here we'll call them Upendras. So they are 20 in number and they are as follows. We can see here. Pra. We can discuss also some words. If you remember any word which has pra before it at the beginning, like prakrushta, or even the word prana,
Prajwala,
prajwala, prajwalita, praja, like that. So pra is used. So these are some prominent meanings given here in English. Apart from these, there are also other meanings can be forward, away, before. Then para. So with para we can have like para, apara. No, that is different.
what is Anuvyakyanam?
Anuvyakhyana?
Yeah, actually, it's a grantha written by Madhvacharya on Nyaya Shastra. So Anu is the one of the Upendras, right? So Anuvyakyanam, how we can understand what it
Anuvyakyanam literally means like Vyakhyan means some explanation,
commentary.
some commentary, Tika. And Anuvyakhyana means following that commentary.
Oh, okay.
Following the commentary or following the explanation. So para, away, back, towards. Apa, like apagata, aparadha, away, improper. Some, like some sangsara or samaveta, samvad, like that. Samabhavat, together with, very thoroughly. Anu, after, behind, along, by the side. Anu, we have like Anukramana, Anu, what you said right now, Anu, something. Anuvyakhyana.
It is Anuvyakyanam.
And like that, Anuvashishta. So like that. Then Ava, like Avahelana, can be one word, Avahelana.
Does Avadhuta also?
Avadhuta looks like Avadhuta. Let us check. Yeah, so Avapurvak Dhu Dhatu. So Avadhuta. Then Nir, like Nirgata, Nirahara, ityadi, Nirashrita, away from, without. Dur, like Durlabha, Durgati,
Durdhara, one of the names in Vishnu Sahasranama.
Durdhara, so hard, difficult, bad. Duryodhana. Abhi, Abhi is like Abhikrama, Abhijnana, Abhi, like that, many, two words to express intensity. V, like Vigata, or yeah, Vigata, and Vishesha, we can say, and like that, to express separation, disjunction, or the reverse of an action. Yeah, Vimala, like Mala and Vimala. So Vimala is equal to Amala, same thing. Adhi, Adhyatmic it is, but Adhyatma. So over, above, fully, and like that. Sorry?
Adhyatmic is Idvayameva.
Yeah. Actually, even from BBT, Dravid Prabhu asked. So, Adhyatma, it is like this. But when we have to say Adhyatmika, we have to write it like this. So when it is Adhyatmika, the first A is long. And when it is just Adhyatma, so it is like this. with a smaller. But yeah, Idvameva is there. Adhyatma, Atyatmika. Then Su, like Sukara or anything from Su, like Swagata also, Suyukta Agata. And
Sujana.
Sujana, ityadi, well, thoroughly, very beautifully. Ud. Ud is like Unnata, Udgata, Udgar, and like that. Uttama.
What is Udyana?
Udyana is, I think, different. Udyana. So it also has Upasarga, Upendra. So like that, up, upwards, upon, over, out from. Then
No, there in the dictionary it was mentioned Ut, whereas here it is mentioned Ud.
yeah, means it's the same thing, ta or ta. Because according to the next varna, it will be decided, the sandhi.
Yes, bro. Yeah, that is.
Like in Uttama, we have Ut, Yukta, Tama. So whether you keep it ta or the next is ta, so
Yeah.
Yadav Matre Harikamnam will be applied and it will become Ut.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
So like that.
Yeah.
Then Ati, like Atyahar or Atikramana, and like that. Very extremely over. Ni. From Ni is like Nirasa. Nirasa.
Nirahar.
No, that is different. Nir. That was before. This is Ni.
Does Nidra come here?
Looks like Nidra. Nidhi. No, so that is a different dhatu. Nidhi.
Okay.
Then Prati, like Prati, Gramam Prati, and like that. Prati. So towards, in the direction of, back, again, upon. Pari, like Paryupasana, and like that. Round, about, further, opposite to, extremely. Api, near, over, towards, up to. Upagata.
So in Api Chet Su Duracharo, Api is used independently. So
Apichet.
it is not combined. So
I believe Api there is just an Avyaya, not Upendra.
Okay.
That is different. Avyaya. So Upa, towards, near to, under, down. So Upagata or Upasana.
Upanishad.
Upanishad. Actually, in Upanishad also, Ni is there. Ni. Upa, Ni, and Shad.
Okay.
And even in Sannyasi, the word Sannyasi. Sam, Yukta, Ni, Yukta, Am, Yukta, As. So Ni is also there in Sannyasi. So like that.
Yes.
Then Ang. Ang is used many places, like Agachati, Agamana, Brahma Bhuvanat Loka, that one, like that. So near, towards, all around, pervading, and the opposite sense before verbs of motion. Like Gachati means to go, and when we add A, so it means to come. So opposite sense. So like that, these are 20 Upendras, prefixes, and with their prominent meanings here. So would be best if we can memorize this verse in that tune. Vyadhisudati ni pratiparyapayah उप आंगति विंशतिरेष सखे उपसर्ग विधि कथितः कविना. So like that you can remember the whole set of Upendras. So um, पूर्वोक्त निमित्तत्वे सत्येव षत्व नत्वे. Sutra 302. The changes to sh or na. So this sh or na is the shatva vidhi and the natva vidhi we did before in the last chapter. Ishvara Harimitra Kaunebya, Sutra 1 is 108, and Rasha Ridibhyanasana, sorry, 111, 108. So the changes to sh or na prescribed in other rules can only take place when those things previously described in Sutras 108 and 111 are the nimittas. So this sutra means that, for example, if we have like upa, yukta, ni, yukta, sad. Now sad is a dhatu, and upa and ni, they are upendras, prefixes. There can be more than one prefixes also together. Now this is Ishvara and this is Sarama. So this sutra is saying that when there is Upendra, and adhatu following, so if 108 and 111 sutras are applicable, the nimittas are there, the cause is there, then we can apply them. So here we can apply 111. Ishvara Harimitra Kaungebhya Pratyabhyantisa, because this is Ishvara and following it is Sarama. So it will become Sh. So thus it becomes like Upanishad. Similarly with Na becoming Na, whenever the nimittas are there which were mentioned in those sutras. So like for example, pra yukta nati. This is basically nam yuktati, but it becomes nati by some rules. So now pra is there and nati is there. So ra is there. So we'll apply 108 ra sha ridibhyanasana. So because ra is there, Sarveshwara is intervening. So it will turn into na. So it becomes pranati. So like this sutra is trying to say. Purvokta nimittatve satyeva shatva anatve. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then Upendrat Anopadeshasya Natvam. After an Upendra, the original na of Anopadesha dhatu is re-established. We can skip this one, 303, even 304. So yeah, so we can skip the previous two, 303, 304. Okay, then the next is Vidhata, third category we are doing, third class of Pratyas, Atmapada. So Bhu, so the Pratyas are Tam, Atamantam, Swa, Atham, Dvam, Aip, Avahip, Amahip, right? Yeah, Aip, Avahip, Amahip. So Bhuyukta Tam, Yak Krishna Dhatu ke Bhava Karmano, we insert Yak. And thus we just, now because yak has karama and it is kansari, yak is kansari, so dhaturantasa is not applied because of ishasya na govinda vrishnendra kansarishu, because of that sutra. So it just remains bhuyatam, bhuyatam. Then 1.2 atam, ya krishna dhatu ke. Again, now here ata a is tathayo, because we have a rama here, following it is a and then ta, so this a becomes e, and then advamid by a, so bhuyatam. Then bhuyantam, bhuyasva, bhuyatam, bhuyadvam, bhuyai, bhuyavahai, bhuyamahai, like that. So these are the pratyas. Okay, so because now this is something new for everyone here, so little effort will be required, especially some on memorization part, the pratyas, and also declining these forms, practicing.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, is it clear? Anything? Any question, discussion till here?
No, no problem.
Okay, we'll do the fourth set of pratyas also. Bhuteshwara. We did Achyuta, we did Vidhi, we did Vidhata today. Then the fourth one is Bhuteshwara. So the dhatu is Bhu, and the pratyaya, Parapada pratyayas, first of all, we are doing is Dip. Bhu Yukta Dip. Dhatoho, Sutra 306. Dhatoho Purvamat Bhuteshwara Bhuteshajiteshu. At is inserted before a dhatu when a Bhuteshwara, Bhutesha or Ajit pratyay follows. So Bhuteshwara is the fourth class, Bhutesha will be the fifth one, and Ajita is the 10th one. So Bhutesha and Ajit, they are coming. So the sutra simply says that we insert at before a dhatu when Bhuteshwar, Bhutesha or Ajita pratyay follows. So what we do is we insert at before a dhatu, like this, and then it joins. Okay, now yeah, then it joins like this. Now we insert Shab Krishna Dhatu ke, apply that sutra. Then Dhaturanta se Govinda Pratyayi O Av, and that's all. It becomes Abhavad. Abhavad. Then we had one sutra, Vishnu Dasasya Hari Kamalam Va Virame, if you remember. That a Vishnu Dasa becomes Hari Kamala when nothing is there after it. So like this is Vishnu Dasa. So there it was said optionally, but in Akhyata we will not use that sutra Nitya every time. We will not do optionally. So it becomes Ta. It becomes Hari Kamala of its own Varga. So it becomes Abhavat. Abhavat. Okay. Similarly, if we keep on doing, then the next one is Tam. So that becomes Abhavatam. Then the next one is Bhuyukta An. So we apply A Dhatu Purvamat Shab Krishna Dhatu Ke Dhaturanta Se Govinda Pratyay O. So Aramahara, Ayora Vishnu Padante. This is deleted. We get Abhavan. Abhapan. Okay. So Diptaman. Then Sip is similar. Abhavaha, Abhavatam, Abhavata. Pam, Abhavam, Abhavava, Abhavama. The same rules. So please practice, and if you're not getting it, please you can discuss it in the class. Any declension. So
Yes, sir.
so like that, abhavat, abhavatam, and all the forms. Then the Atmapada of Bhuteshwara. Bhuyuktata या कृष्ण धातु के भाव कर्मण धातु पूर्वमत. अच्छा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल धातु पूर्वमत, देन या कृष्ण धातु के yak is kansari because it has karama as indicated later. So ishasya na govinda vrishninda kansarishu, there is no govinda for urama by dhatunantasya govinda pratyay. And we just keep it like this, abhuyata. And then abhuyetam, abhuyanta, ityadi. No new sutra for this. So abhuyata, abhuyetam, abhuyanta, abhuyatha, abhuyetam, abhuyatvam, abhuye, abhuyavahai, abhuyavahi, abhuyamahi. Okay, one thing is also there that in this book, because this is first dhatu, so Jiva Goswami and also Matsata Prabhu, they have given all the forms, each and every form. But as we move ahead, they will not give all the forms. Even the tables also they will not give in the book. So they will just give some which are exceptional. So I think I shared that link. One devotee is preparing an Excel. You can search and all the forms are there. Did I share that link? Did I share that link? The Excel link?
You showed the link.
I think I shared. Can you check? Looks like I didn't. Let me share it here. Okay, I have posted it in Telegram. Yeah, so if you go there, I'll show it also here. Okay, so it's here. So that Prabhuji has done it like this. So here at the top, these are the dhatus, the dhatus. And so if you click on any dhatu, for example, now we are studying bhu. So bhu is here. So all the forms of bhu dhatu will come here. All the final declined forms like Achyuta, 1 P means Parapada, A means Atmapada, Vidhi, Vidhatri, Bhuteshwara, all the 10 ganas. And also, the applicable sutras are also given here. So, not all the applicable sutras. He says here only specific ones, only regular sutras are not included. They can be seen from Bhu and Chittivyapi. So also sutra numbers. So this is very helpful. So please take advantage. And if there are some notes, something, so he has also included notes. So nice effort. So yeah, you can take advantage. So it's open file. So he requested not to edit, like edit in the sense by mistake or like that. So yeah, that's very good. So yeah, he's doing some notes here. You can check. Sutras for insertion.
Who's the author?
I'm sorry?
I said, who's the author? I'm really, that's very great of, I'm grateful to him.
Yeah, he's Jayadwarka Das Prabhuji, and he's from Delhi, ISKCON Delhi, Brahmachari Prabhuji. So he's studying with me in other group, weekday group. So sutra categorization, he made some Kartari Karmani chart. And if you want to write some corrections, you can write here. So, like that. Okay, so we did till Bhuteshwara. We'll continue with Bhutesha forms tomorrow. Did you do some Anvaya Mataji?
No, I've been crazy busy this week, unfortunately.
Okay.
Hopefully tonight.
I think we studied everything the last time. Means.
Yes, we had.
And then, so maybe you can, by tomorrow, you can do some.
Yeah.
So please work on the pratyas, like memorization, because now the whole akhyat, if we don't know the pratyas, will be difficult. So first thing is please work on the pratyas, and then also the declensions, the sutras, the applications. So akhyat, on this akhyata prakaranam, this chapter has around 400 something sutras, which is quite numerous. So if we do not practice from the very beginning, it will really become hodgepodge at the end. Not even at the end, at the middle or at the beginning, after some time. So yeah, please work from the beginning. Okay, then we'll meet tomorrow. And yeah, Kartik month is going on. Tomorrow is Ekadashi day? Like here it is.
Yeah, here it's Uttan Ekadashi tomorrow. It's the
in
appearance
Vrindavan,
day.
it's the day after tomorrow.
Srila Paramahansa Bhaktivedanta Madhava Maharaj.
Okay, then we'll resume tomorrow. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Dandavat Pranam.